Hello students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to English class. My name is Tina and today we will learn something more about adjectives. If you remember, in our previous video we have learned about what is adjective and what are the types of adjectives. Today we will learn what is order of adjectives. What do you mean by order of adjectives? Order of adjective, it means that you have to arrange adjectives in an order. ओके मीन्स जब आपको 2-3 एडजेक्टिव्स दिए गए हैं और आपको उसे एक किस तरह से लगाना है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम जैसा चाहें वैसे ही बोल दें, लेकिन एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर होता है एडजेक्टिव्स को लगाने का, एडजेक्टिव्स को एक साथ रखने का, उन्हें एक साथ बोलने का. ठीक है, हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ब्लू, वन, बैलून, बस्ट, वो समझ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, बट वी हैव टू पुट इट इन proper order. We can say one blue balloon burst. Fine. So it is a proper order. So in this video we will learn what is the order of adjectives. First is quantity. We need to tell the number of noun, quantity of noun. Quantity कितना है, उसमें नंबर भी आ सकता है, क्वांटिटी भी आ सकती है कि नाउन कितना है. Next is general opinion. What is your opinion about the noun? Okay, you can say it as it will come under quality, general opinion. Specific opinion means it has some specialization. Maybe 2 qualities of a noun are told to you. One is general, means common से हो सकता है, and one is specific opinion. Next, size. What is the size of noun? Next, temperature. Temperature of noun also comes in it. Next, shape of noun. Next, age of noun. Next, color of noun. Next, nationality of noun. Nationality means वो कहाँ से origin हुआ है, उसका origination. Nationality और origin of noun. Next, material, किस चीज से बना है. I hope you understand these points. Quantity, general opinion, specific opinion, size, temperature, shape, age, color, nationality, material. Clear? For example, I have written blue antique ceramic Chinese plate. I have to arrange all this in proper order of adjectives. So, how I will do? Blue is color, antique is age, it is age, purana. Antique means old, so it is, we can say it an age. Ceramic is its material. Ceramic is the material, चीनी मिट्टी. Ceramic is the material. Chinese is its nationality, वो कहाँ का है, Chinese है. And plate is the noun. So we have color, we have age, we have material, we have nationality, we have all these 4. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange accordingly. What will come? Firstly, age. So what we will write? Antique, then color. Color is blue. Then nationality. Nationality is Chinese. Then material. Material is ceramic. So we will write is as antique, blue, Chinese, ceramic, plate. Noun will come in the last. Antique, blue, Chinese, ceramic, plate. Let's see with one more example. Brown, old, little, Almira. Brown is the color. Old, what will be old? Old will be, could be age. Little, what is little? Little could be general opinion. Almira is the noun. Now what do we have? We have color, we have age, we have general opinion. So what is the order? First we have to use general opinion. We will use it. Our general opinion is little. Then age is old. Then color is brown. So what it will be? Little, old, brown, Almira. Little, old, brown, Almira. So you have to do these order of adjectives in this pattern. You have to firstly categorize all the adjective words comes under which category. After categorization then you will put it in proper order. पहले आपको सारे words देखने हैं कि वो क्वांटिटी है, जनरल ओपिनियन है, स्पेसिफिक ओपिनियन है, एज है, शेप है, साइज है. जब आप ये सब प्रॉपरली कर देंगे उसके बाद आपको इसे प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. एडजेक्टिव की डिग्री क्या है? इट इज ऑफ 3 टाइप्स: पॉजिटिव, comparative, superlative. Means if we compare the adjectives, we will use degree of adjectives. Positive degree is used for no comparison. जब हम कोई भी comparison नहीं करेंगे, in such cases we will talk about only of one adjective, or we will talk, if we are talking about 2 adjectives, then those 2 adjectives are same. Those 2 adjectives are same. Okay. If we talk about comparative adjectives, in this we have to compare 2 things. In comparative adjectives we have to compare 2 things. जब हम 2 चीजों में comparison बताते हैं तब हम comparative adjective degree का use करते हैं. And we also use than or to identify the comparative degree. जब हम किसी चीज को 2 चीजों को कंपेयर करेंगे तो या तो हम then का यूज करते हैं या फिर हम to का यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज superlative degree. What is in superlative degree? It compare more than 2 things. जब 2 से ज्यादा चीजें होती हैं then when we compare more than 2 things तब हम superlative degree का यूज करते हैं. And in such cases we also use article the to tell the supreme, the superlative. When we have learnt about articles, we have read that the is used with superlative degrees. Let's look it with the help of some examples. Ritu is dash than her brother. Ritu is dash than her brother. Now there are 2 nouns, Ritu and her brother. 2 जने हैं. रितु है ब्रदर से, देन हर ब्रदर मीन्स देन से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. ठीक है. सो वी हैव टू यूज हियर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. सो वी कैन यूज रितु इज टॉलर देन हर ब्रदर, रितु इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन हर ब्रदर, रितु इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन हर ब्रदर, Ritu is smarter than her brother, Ritu is shorter than her brother. Means we can use any adjective but the adjective must be in comparative degree. Okay students, let's go look at another example. China is a dash country. China is a dash country. अब यहाँ पे कितने की बात हो रही है? Only about China. There is no other thing. So when we talk about one thing, when there is no comparison, what we have to use? We have to use positive degree. Okay? So we can say China is a large country. China is a big country. China is a powerful country. China is a strong country. So whatever adjective you are using, you have to use positive degree of adjective. Let's look at third example. Rekha is the dash in the class. Rekha is the dash in the class. Now, how many things we are talking about? We are talking about Rekha and class. Now, Rekha is a student of class, and in class there are many more students. Means यहाँ पे कितने जनों का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है? More than 2, because रेखा इज 1 और दूसरे क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स. More than 2 persons का कंपैरिजन हो रहा है. When comparison of more than 2 things is done, we use superlative degree. It means we have to use here superlative degree. So it will be Rekha is the brightest in the class. Rekha is the prettiest in the class. Rekha is the strongest in the class. Rekha is the cleverest in the class. Rekha is the smartest in the class. Means whatever adjective we are using, we have to use superlative degree. Clear, students? Let's look at last example. Sofa is dash the chair. Sofa is dash the chair. Now we are talking here about sofa and chair. We are talking about sofa and chair, but there is no comparison over here. यहाँ पे comparison का word तो कुछ भी use नहीं है. Neither than is here nor to is here. Two things है, two से ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, इसलिए we cannot use superlative degree, and there is no comparison, so we cannot use comparative degree. So what we have to use? We have to use positive degree itself. But we will use here positive degree with as. For example, sofa is as comfortable as the chair. Sofa is as new as the chair. Sofa is as old as the chair. Clear, students? So when there is no comparison between two things, it means both the things are similar, same. There is no comparison, so we have to use positive degree using as comfortable as new as intelligent as beautiful as cold as. Clear? So I hope now order of adjectives and degree of adjectives is clear to you. Let's quickly revise these two. In order of adjectives, what is the order of adjectives? Number one, we have to see quantity. We have to put quantity at number one. Second, if there is general opinion. Third, if there is specific opinion. Fourth, if size is given. Fifth, if temperature is given. Sixth, if shape is given. Seventh, if age is given. Eighth, if color is given. Ninth, if nationality is given. 10th, if material is given. So whatever is given to you, you have to put it in this order. Okay? In degree of adjectives, there are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In positive degree, there is no comparison. It talks about one thing or two things which are similar, same. In comparative degree, it compares two things. In superlative degree, it compares more than two things. So students, I hope this video is clear to you now. If you have any query, you are free to call me anytime.